Yo, check it out, I gotta speak the truth about the hardest working small channel in the crypto booth. He's the crypto father, the one and only.
Today I'm gonna make an attempt at explaining the layer 1 network Sei. Welcome back to the Crypto Father channel. Today is the 19th of December. Make sure to smash up the like, subscribe to the channel, and get ready for a new token. But before we get there, let's have a quick look at the markets first, because after the announcement by Jerome Powell by the Fed that rate cuts are coming in and that more rate cuts are going to be coming in 2025, apparently the market is not liking it a lot, and there is a dump that's proceeding right now. We've got a 3.6 trillion market cap, which is a dump of about close to $300 billion worth of money has disappeared from the market cap. $249 billion in trading volume. Bitcoin is back down at 100,000. Wow. It was 102 a little while ago, and then it continued dumping since this morning. A massive candle just came in with a pretty hefty sell volume, and it went all the way down to 100. There is a support at 100,000. If it breaks below that, we should probably be seeing Bitcoin going even further down below that price level. So this may be a crucial level for Bitcoin to hold. Ethereum is at $3,685. XRP $2.34. BNB back below $700. Solana at $200. Dogecoin 35 cents. Cardano below $1. Again, Toncoin at $5.42. That's always experiencing. Sui is doing pretty well. It's literally the only, except for Chainlink. Chainlink as well on the 7-day is the only one that's in profit. Polkadot, it's not looking very good for Polkadot again. And Litecoin at $110. Hyperliquid is 38% up, this token. And Sei dropped down to 72nd place at 48 cents with a 19% discount. Meowcoin is also down below 0002. And a market cap that got siphoned, $200,000 siphoned out of it, pretty much. All right, so let's have a look at Sei. What is Sei? Sei, accelerating the future, the fastest parallel blockchain, pushing the boundaries of blockchain technology through open source development. Sei stands to unlock a brand new design space for consumer-facing applications. It is said to have a time finality of 380 milliseconds, which is the time required for a transaction to be completed. How does finality compare to other blockchains? Well, on Ethereum, the finality is 13 to 20 minutes. Cosmos 6 to 7 seconds. Polkadot 6 to 60 seconds. Solana, it's anywhere between 1 and 90 seconds, so a minute and 90 seconds. Phantom, it's 1 to 4 seconds. Avalanche 0.7 to 2.2. Aptos 0.9, and Sui anywhere between 1 and 2 seconds. So Sei right now seems to be the fastest, has the fastest finality out of all the layer ones out there. When it comes to transactions per second, it compares to Solana, Ethereum, and Bitcoin as thus: 22,000 operations per second, while Ethereum only puts 20 transactions per second. Even Solana putting out 10,000 transactions per second doesn't compare to Sei. And apparently Sei has an FBA front-running prevention in place, while Bitcoin, Ethereum, and Solana do not. Processing style is similar to that of Solana, which is parallelized. TPS compared to other chains, once again, Sei 22,000 operations or orders per second. Solana 10,000 transactions per second. Avalanche got a 4,500. BNB chain 2,200 transactions per second. Ethereum 20 and Bitcoin 10. So right now Sei is the fastest moving chain out there. An article on reflexivity research compares Sei to other blockchains, and one of the main things for Ethereum, what Ethereum has going for itself is the massive number of developers. And for any blockchain to be successful, it needs to have a massive number of developers, and it looks like Ethereum has 75,000 developers working on the blockchain, while Solana has 20,000, Polygon, Avalanche, and Clayton have much smaller numbers. So one of the reasons why Ethereum is the king, obviously, is because it's the first blockchain, smart contract blockchain, and it has a massive number of developers, which means which allows for continuous innovation, fast innovation and development on the blockchain, while others are a little bit slower due to the fact that they just simply don't have as much manpower as Ethereum does. SEI is supported by elite global institutions. SEI stands at the forefront of blockchain innovation. We've got Multicoin Capital, Jump, Coinbase, and Delphi Digital, and Pith. Oh, that's a cool feature. Okay, Jump. What is Jump? We choose SEI for its unmatched speed, resilience, and innovation. Its optimized architecture aligns seamlessly with our institutional goals. Kanaf Korea President, Perth. It's exciting to see the launch of SEI's version 2 high-performance parallelized EVM. EVM stands for Ethereum Virtual Machine, as this positions SEI to unlock enhanced network capabilities and offer a perfect place for DeFi builders and institutions to leverage Pith oracles and build the next generation of on-chain finance. We know what Coinbase is. Delphi Digital. SEI has made advancements in speed, scalability, and security that address some of the major drawbacks of current general-purpose chains. We're confident that they can be a real challenger in the battle for Layer 1. Okay, and Multicoin Capital. Multicoin led SEI's seed round last year and have been working closely with SEI Labs since then. We've been continuously amazed with their pace of execution. We back exceptional entrepreneurs working to advance the crypto Web3 ecosystem and support Coinbase's mission of creating more economic freedom. There you go. So this is what these institutions have to say about SEI. So let's have a look in socials and see what the following is on socials. So right now they've got 767,000 followers on X, which is a pretty significant number. The EVM is about to change forever. SEI is scaling to 5 giga gas per second, a 50% performance improvement compared to any mainnet EVM chain today. Everything you need to know about Giga on SEI. Ethereum 1.25 mega gas per second, 60 TPS. Most L2s 10 mega gas per second, 500 TPS. Highest throughput EVM chain today, 100 mega gas per second, 5k TPS. And we're looking at Giga SEI, 5 giga gas per second, 250,000 TPS. So we're looking at a extremely fast throughput on transactions on SEI. SEI is rebuilding the EVM for performance, optimized execution with ahead of time compilation, intelligent parallelization for higher throughput, faster data flow, storage, and consensus. So basically, it looks like SEI are improving what Ethereum has started. On Discord, it looks like they've got 549,000 people. So again, that looks like a pretty big number, which is good. So those two socials are covered. There's a lot of people, close to 1 million people following it. SEI is presently standing on position 72 at 48 cents, and it's tradable on Binance, Whitebit, Bitget, Gate.io, Bybit, Coinbase, OrangeX, KuCoin, MEXC, HIBT, and on a bunch of Korean exchanges. And I assume, since it's on Corebit, I assume that it's on every other exchange as well. So yeah, it's listed on a bunch of exchanges. There's a lot up it. It's listed on many exchanges. So Binance seems to have the highest volume and the lowest spread, which is good. An article is posted by Patrikov on June 14, 2023 states in the first sentence, SEI is an open source Cosmos layer 1 blockchain ecosystem primarily for trading. The main goal of SEI is to create a destination for all on-chain trading applications, providing them primarily with security, tremendous speed, and focus on the user. SEI is making better ways or solutions of the shortcomings which other exchanges OS facing to solve many problems related to trading. One of them is to create the fastest chain to complete the transaction, a native mechanism for ordering. Say ecosystem hub of blockchain innovation. That's pretty. That's some cool graphics. Say bridge, say explorer, stake, say. It's possible to stake, say, start building Dragon Swap, Pallet Exchange, Silo, DeFi, NFTs. The ecosystem is slowly growing, I guess, since 2023. It's a bunch of apps have been added. Create a say wallet. Explore say hub, bridge assets, just so there's a lot. Say labs co-founders Forbes profiles. Okay, co-founders Jeff Fang and Jayendra Jog. While many popular blockchains provide general purpose networks that developers can build on top of, Say focuses on crypto trading to allow decentralized exchanges and trading apps to offer users a fast and easy way to trade digital assets. Jog, a former Robinhood engineer, and Fang, a Goldman Sachs and Coatue alum, decided to build the decentralized trading infrastructure after witnessing Robinhood impose trading restrictions at the height of 2021's GameStop trading frenzy. They claimed the blockchain's time to finality and the amount of time needed to fully control a transaction beats Ethereum's by orders of magnitude 500 milliseconds versus Ethereum 6 per 6 minutes. Say launched in August with 35 million in funding raised from investors including Multicoin Capital, Jump Crypto, and Coinbase Ventures, and already estimate 7 million active wallets. So that's a quick intro to the Say co-founders. And you can stake Say simply if you go to the website say.io. You can launch the app, which will take you to the staking mechanism. You have to connect your wallet basically, and you can store Say in any of the wallets that are available: MetaMask, OKX, Rabi wallet, whatever other wallet, Wallet Connect, I guess. And wherever you have it, you can start staking it. What are the staking rewards? Average APR is 3.89%. Validators commissions 5%. APR 3.69%. So you can start staking your Say directly through the website. Total supply of Say 8.8 billion tokens are available. I think the number of tokens available is actually smaller than that. Let's have a look. So there are 10 billion tokens. That's the total supply. Circulating supply stands at 4.2 billion tokens. The distribution was a bit whack, to be honest. The allocation of tokens went as follows. Ecosystem reserve 48%. Private sale investors got 20%. The team got 20%. Foundation 9%. And Binance launch pool got 3%. So basically 40% went to pre-sale and the team alone, and these are vested I think for a year. That's what it said from what I understand. While 48% is allocated to the ecosystem reserve, 49% is reserved for private investors, the team, and the foundation. So that's a pretty hefty chunk of tokens that is vested to investors, given to investors. So tokenomics are not that great, to be honest, I don't think. But I mean, that just means that they'll have enough money to continue growing this ecosystem. And with initial 37 million that they got, that should get them started, right? So that's Say. It may be the hidden gem for the next bull run. In this, it might still do miracles. Who knows? On the chart, Say basically launched on August 2023. It had a peak of $1.14 in March 2024. So this year, right now, it's retraced a little bit. 20 cents dumped. Now it's back up 73. It's retracing right now. But so this is its first or second year, I guess first year, still ongoing, and it is right on the cusp of the bull run. So I think you stand to make some extra gains here on this fib retracement. We're looking at a 75% discount right now on this token, because we retraced. So I think that's a pretty good price. You're definitely stand to make quite possibly a 2x, and if if the bull market continues and if say receives a bit more hype, we could probably see it do 3x. So this is where we're at. I purchased some for myself on Corbit. I've got my bags. So this is where what we're looking at right now. Say is at a 75% discount right now. These are the discount zone. This is like, it's nice to look at it because it's the entirety of the chart, because it is a very newly released token. And so I think purchasing it now at a 75% discount is a pretty good bet, and you could make 2 or 3x on this token easily in this bull run, because I mean, this was the all-time high for the token in March of this year, and obviously we're expecting for the actual all-time high to take place sometime soon. So I think this is a good bet. It seems like a good project. It's definitely got a lot of support, and obviously not as much as Ethereum. It is only a year compared to Ethereum's, what, 15 years or something like that. So, but I think this is a good bet to get in. This is probably a very good token to buy and make some gains this bull run. Let me know what you think in the comment section below. Remember to hit the likes on this video, subscribe to the channel while you're at it, and pick up a Descent wallet, because they're on a discount and you get a massive discount, 47% for 2 wallets and 43% for $1 wallet. You get a $10 discount, and then additionally you'll be eligible to enter an airdrop that's going to give you a potential $50 discount, and on top of everything else, so you're getting the wallet for like $30 or something like that. So get that done now and enjoy your Thursday. I will see you on Friday tomorrow. Peace.